Hello, my name is Dr. Yaya Sissoko. Today we are going to talk about Chapter 15, the welfare of a monopoly. Let me begin with the following question. How do you measure the welfare cost of monopolies? So to measure the welfare cost of monopolies, we're going to talk about total surplus. What is total surplus? Total surplus is the economic well-being of buyers and sellers in the market. It is the sum of consumer surplus and producer surplus. So, what is consumer surplus? Consumer surplus is consumer willingness to pay for a good minus the amount they actually pay for it. So, what is the producer surplus? The producer surplus is the amount producer receive for a good minus their cost of producing it. So you can see that the total surplus will be, so producer consistent surplus plus the producer surplus, you know. So the benevolent planner maximize total surplus, so it's going to be the socially efficient outcome. So the society will be producing quantity where marginal costs intercept demand curve. So and will charge price equal to marginal cost. Figure number 7 deal with the efficient level of output. So we can see that a benevolent social planner maximize total surplus in the market by choosing the level of output where the demand curve and marginal cost intercept. So you can see that the demand curve, so which represent the value to the buyer, so and the marginal cost curve intercept at this point. So you go down to find the efficient quantity that the society should produce it. So below this level, the value of the good to the marginal buyer as reflected by the demand curve exceed the marginal cost of making that good. So you can see that below that efficient quantity, the value to the buyer up to here to the market is greater than the cost to the monopoly up to here. So you can see that value to buyer is greater than cost to seller. But above this level, the value of the marginal buyer is less than the marginal cost. You can see that above this efficient quantity, so you have that the value to the, the cost to the monopolist is greater than the value to the buyer. So you can see that value to buyer is less than the cost to seller. So the monopoly will produce its quantity where marginal cost equal to marginal revenue. And therefore, the monopoly will produce less quantity than the socially efficient quantity of output by charging higher prices, which is greater than the marginal cost. So this will lead to deadweight loss, which is going to be the triangle between the demand curve and the marginal cost curve. Right. Figure number 8 deal with the inefficiency of monopoly. So looking at this figure, we can see that monopoly will maximize profit when marginal revenue and marginal cost intercept at this point. And then we go down to find the quantity that monopoly will produce it, and we go up all the way up to the demand to find the price charged by the monopoly. You can see that the monopoly will charge a price above the marginal cost, so in that sense. So because of that, So all consumers who value the good at more than it costs to buy it. So this is going to lead to a deadwall loss. So the deadwall would be this triangle is going to be a loss to the society. So the quantity produced by the monopoly is less than the efficient quantity produced, so in the society. So this portion, this triangle will be lost to the society. So the deadwall loss is represented by the area of the triangle between the demand curve, which reflects the value of the good to the consumer, this one, the demand curve, and the marginal cost curve, which reflects the cost of the monopoly of producing the good, this one. So is the monopoly profit a social cost? So monopoly, get higher profit, so and this is no reduction of economic welfare. So this means that producer surplus is bigger, consumer surplus is smaller, and then this is not a social problem, it is social loss. So the social loss equal to the deadwall loss from the inefficiency of low quantity of output.